welcome to my channel. This is MA, and today's video I'm going to share my Santoro Gorjuss rubber stamp that I purchased last year. And today I will show you some sample cards using these stamps. So this big stamp, it comes with 5 pieces and I purchased it at the price of 8.9 euro. And at the back it has all the instructions on how to use and how to clean. And you can use the soap and water to clean your stamp, and air dry to restore clean. Keep stamps away from exposure to light and extreme temperatures, and some permanent inks may stain your stamp, but this will not affect their performance. So I already tried this last year. And next is this cute little ones. It costs 2.9 euro each, and this is a collectible rubber stamp. So this one is number 16, the Puddle of Love. This one is number 2, New Heights. This is number 4, Forget Me Not. And the last one is number 36, The Rainy Days. So I get all of this stamp at the scrapbook exposition here in France. And this cute little ones, I never try it. So let's get started to try these stamps. So here is our finished card. So I just added some sentiments, smiles and heads, and happy birthday. So this is it. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, hit the like button and bell notification. Thanks for watching. Bye!